Denton is showing Breanna all of the love and support they can during her hometown visit, including making her very own ice cream flavor here at Beth Marie's.
Is that good for you, ma'am?
Yes.
And her supporters were the first to try it at her meet and greet during her hometown visit.
We do like honoring local legends, so it just seemed like a natural thing to do to create an ice cream just for her. It's been really unbelievable, and we're very thankful for having her here.
The ice cream wasn't the only thing her fans thought was sweet, but so was the opportunity to meet Breanna Nix in person.
She was so sweet and took the time with every single person she came across to make us all feel special and tell us how much Jesus loves each one of us.
It was awesome. I got her autograph.
This is my roots right here, and so to come back to be the top 3 and just doing this all for them, and they're showing up, it's really amazing. I feel truly grateful.
It says not just a stay-at-home mom. I'm a mom of 6 at home. One just graduated college, and we have 6 littles under the age of 7. And so I just stay home with them, and it means a lot that when she came on, she said she's just a stay-at-home mom, but it's more than that. It's to kingdom work.
It was really fun. I took a couple of pictures, one with my brother. It was really fun meeting her.
It was an early birthday present for me that my husband decided to watch my kids and told me that I could go and have the day and get to go meet her, and so that was really fun and exciting to be able to support her.
With the American Idol finale this Sunday night, they'll get the chance to vote and cheer her on until the very end.
She's gonna do such a great job, and I'm so happy for her.
In Denton, I'm Kimberly Barroteran.